So today is the 4th of February, and we have here the genius that is Jonathan, and he's going to be talking about everything we've done so far so we can bring you up to speed. Alright, let's get into it.
This is the little wire that we're going to attach to our battery gas gauge. As we found out a few weeks ago, we thought it came with pins. It turns out they're contact pads. This means that I've had to cut these wires, which were female to female, which is this end here, to be bare copper cable on the other end, so we can use electrical tape to just fasten it to the pad. This is because, as the chip is only 2.5 millimeters by 4 millimeters, soldering would leave massive globs, which would therefore short circuit the chip. This is the temperature and humidity sensor. We will have two of these. One of them in the biogas fermentation chamber, as biogas will not form if the fermentation occurs at the wrong temperature or humidity. The second one will go in the burning section, because otherwise the flame could be off but you would never know about it, so the respark wouldn't occur. This is the voltage converter. It goes from 3.3 volts to 5 volts. The reason we need this is because, as we found out during our research, it is very hard to find any 5 volt batteries. However, 3.3 volt batteries are very common. So we've ordered a 3.3 volt battery, but then the Pi takes 5 volts. This means that we have to take it from 3.3 volts to 5 volts. This is a Raspberry Pi 3B+. As you can see, it has 40 GPIO pins, which we'll be using to connect our sensors to, a display port, the 5 volt power input, a HDMI socket, the camera port, audio jack, Ethernet port, and 4 USB ports. We will be using this to control our system.
So today we have Jonathan back, 4th of February, to tell us what he's done today. Take it away, Jonathan.
So today I have created the social media accounts for BioPump. They are YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter and Facebook. We also have a Gmail account. I have also updated the log and of course helped update these videos.
Thank you, Jonathan. Okay, so here today we have Aditya Singh to talk about what he's done today. It's the 4th of February, so take it away, Aditya.
So I've made a website which compiles all of our research and advertises what we're doing. And I've also made a log which also has some of our research in it, and it highlights what exactly our product is and how we made it and the products in it.
Okay, thank you, Aditya. So today is the 5th of February, and today we've begun work on the coding files. We subscribed to various universities' YouTube channels, and we also did some general work on the log. So today is the 6th of February, and we did some work on our code files and updated our log.
So today it is the 7th of February, and all we've done today is updating the log. Today is the 9th of February, and like on the 7th, we purely updated the log today. So today it is the 12th of February, and I have been coding, I have been updating the logs, and I've also been doing some soldering to get things ready for the final assembly.
So today is the 20th of February, and we updated our log and began to make our pumping mechanism. So today is the 22nd of February, so we updated our website's colour schemes, did some coding, built some more of our prototype, we did some work on the technical sketch, we updated our log, and we soldered in the microbit into our circuit to give it power. Productive day. Hi, so the day is the 22nd of March, and we haven't updated this video diary in a while, so this is going to be the comprehensive update since the 22nd of February. So let's get started. So on the 27th of February, we found a professor at the University of Aberdeen to contact for feedback. The 28th of February, we went to Coventry Uni to get the opinions from the professionals. That was a fun day. On the 1st of March, we continued to build the prototype and we researched about the materials of the product. The 4th of March, we ran a hardware check. That was good. It went well. On the 5th of March, we showed the pump to 2 Loughborough University engineers. They liked it. We had a code error, we couldn't fix it, but then we realised we could build the pump without computer chips and use purely hardware, so we removed the microbit and the Pi. On the 6th of March, we continued to draft our email and continued to work on this log and worked on hardware design. The 12th of March, we cut down the size of the document from 16 pages to just 12. The 13th of March, we further neatened up the log. On the 20th of March, we added in the summary, and today we finished up the log, and we also thought of the idea to add an AR functionality to create a notice board.